Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with yet another video and this time is a Myntra haul, a complete Myntra haul. जैसे कि आप सब जानते ही हैं कि Myntra पर अभी सेल चल रहा था. It's like Indian Premier Sale and इतने ज़्यादा डिस्काउंट्स चल रहे थे. I can't tell you people. I think बहुत सारे लोगों ने बहुत कुछ शॉप किया है. फेस्टिवल्स आने वाले हैं सारे, मैरिज सीजन शुरू होने वाला है, सो आई थिंक एवरीवन इज गोना शॉप नाउ. एंड बाहर जाके अभी शॉपिंग करना इट्स नॉट सेफ, सो डेफिनेटली ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग इज़ द बेस्ट ऑप्शन राइट नाउ. तो उनका बर्थडे अभी आ रहा है, सो इस बार मेरा हॉल जो है ज़्यादा मेंस के लिए है. राहुल के लिए ज़्यादा कुछ ख़रीदा गया है एंड मैंने भी अपने लिए कुछ लिया है, बट it would be more onto men's side. And so let's get started with the video. The first product I ordered is a shirt. I got this sort of a packing, but अंदर सब ऐसे थे. I think ये तीन shirts हैं, एक ही ब्रांड की हैं, so इस पे शायद उन्होंने इस तरह की पैकिंग की है. And it's from the brand called Roadster. पर्सनली राहुल ने रोडस्टर की पहले कुछ सामान मंगवाया हुआ था, तो ही लाइक्स रोडस्टर टी शर्ट्स, शर्ट्स, फॉर्मल शर्ट्स एंड ऑल. तो दिस इज लाइक अ प्लेन चेक शर्ट. आई लव द कलर. इट्स अ बेसिक शर्ट आई थिंक एवरी मेन शुड हैव इन देयर क्लोजेट. तो लाइक its MRP is 1499 and I got this for 329. Can you imagine? And it's into the size 40 medium. And yeah, I hope he gonna like it. It's a basic black cotton shirt because Delhi ka temperature it's really humid, so यहाँ cotton ही best option है. And I personally, it's a full sleeve shirt. I haven't even opened it. So I personally love the cloth and I hope you are able to see it, like how it's gonna look. So I basically loved it, but let's see he loves it or not, because he have just had a glimpse of what I have ordered for him, but he had not seen basically all this thing. Rahul have much of a formal wear, उनके पास फॉर्मल वेयर बहुत ज़्यादा है, बट वी डोंट हैव मच ऑफ इनटू कैजुअल और सेमी कैजुअल. सो दैट्स वाई इस टाइम मैं उनके लिए मैक्सिमम लाइक आई थॉट के उनके लिए मैक्सिमम टू मैक्सिमम मैं कैजुअल या सेमी कैजुअल ऑर्डर करूँ. सो द नेक्स्ट शर्ट इज दिस वन. Like also a basic shirt. It's into navy blue color and it has some small you can see red, white color of print, and it's comfy cloth. The cloth is really nice. It's cotton, 100% cotton, and I personally love it. And it looks good with black jeans also, and some like this sort of a color of a trouser, what is called camel color trousers and all, semi casual trousers. So I think it's gonna look nice on him. And this is also a full sleeve shirt. Yeah, I hope you like it. I loved it. So this shirt is basically for 1399. MRP is 1399, but I got this for 306 rupees. Can you imagine a cotton, good brand t-shirt, good stuff, fabric is good. So I don't think so okay this is a bad deal at all. Rahul have used Roadster clothes earlier also. Durability की बात की जाए तो it's really good. Comfortable level super comfortable for him. Cotton है, breathable cloth है, so उन्हें बहुत अच्छा लगता है. तो that's why I thought rather उन्हीं की पसंद के हिसाब से ही मुझे खरीदना चाहिए. Okay, next is also, this is like my personal favorite. I don't know whether he's gonna wear it or not, but this is like a military print shirt. Yes, this is a casual shirt for him. It is also in cotton. You can see this is also a full sleeves shirt. I personally have some personally have some space in my heart for military guys, and I just love the military color. And I think this is gonna look really nice on him. And yeah, because मेरी family में बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो military में हैं, so इसीलिए मुझे शर्ट, मुझे इस तरह का texture बहुत पसंद है. So that's why I thought I should give it a buy. And yeah, it's super comfortable. You can see it's cotton. Yeah, I like it. I personally like it. And this is basically for 1399. Yeah, it's for 1399. MRP is 1399, but I got this shirt for 307 rupees. That's not at all bad deal, if I think so. Yes. Okay, so the next is a t-shirt. Okay, this is again from the same brand, Roadster. I'm not doing a sponsored video, please. And this is into size L, and it's a basic collar t-shirt from Roadster, and Rahul loves it. Actually उनके पास bright colors नहीं थे बिल्कुल भी. Like he is having light blue t-shirt, white t-shirt, black t-shirt, like that. So he was not having bright sort of colors into t-shirts. So I bought him one red in same pattern from LP, I think, and this one he got by himself. And I also love the color. It's bright yellow color. So yeah, it's a half t-shirt. Yeah, it's a half length t-shirt, so I also loved it. Okay, this t-shirt was basically somewhere around 800 rupees, and we got this for 350 rupees. So I think that's not a bad deal at all. Okay, the next thing is a very basic thing. I think this is this deodorant. This is Wild Stone Edge. I personally love this deo because it has some aqua sort of fragrance, and I just fall in love with this fragrance. So that's why I ordered this for him, and this is basically 199 MRP है, but मुझे उस पे discount मिल रहा था. I got this for 137 rupees, so I don't think so that's a bad deal. So I ordered this for him. I love it. For Rahul, now I'll show what I got for myself. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna show you. This is like the masterpiece of this haul, and this is this beautiful dress I got. Have a look. It's ta-da! Can you see the color? I just fall in love with the color. The sleeves, you can see how beautiful the sleeves are. It have a very good glittery thing on the sleeves and on the neck too. You can see, and a very beautiful print on sleeves. See how beautiful it looks now. And in front it's like this. It is like a choli and anarkali sort of a kurti, and you can have a look how beautiful it looks now. And yeah, it has this sort of that tie करने के लिए भी है इसमें, and like इसमें tassels हैं golden color के, and it's a beautiful flared anarkali dress. You can see the print. It's a nice beautiful dress, and I wore it. I'll definitely share the photo, basically like how this kurti looks. And I would be sharing my photo in this kurti on Instagram, so you can check it out on my Instagram handle. And I got this kurti from the brand called Orilla, and my size is XXL. This kurti is basically for 2799. MRP is 2799, but I got this for 1399. मतलब 1400 off. Like more than 50% I think I had got an off. मतलब half 50% off मिला है मुझे इस पे. It's from the Orilla brand, and इसमें कुछ thread और sequence मतलब वो दिए हुए हैं extra कि कुछ निकल जाए तो. And one thing is very important for this kurti, that this is dry clean only. I need to get it dry clean whenever I wear it. And ये कुर्ती एक्चुअली अभी मेरा बर्थडे भी आने वाला है, करवा चौथ आ रही है, दिवाली आ रही है, सो डेफिनेटली आई एम गोना वेयर दिस इन वन ऑफ द ओकेजन्स. See how beautiful it looks. I am absolutely in love with this kurti. And yeah, so like this kurti I got for myself. For the very first time I order innerwears from online store, and my experience was really nice because for the very first time I ordered from the brand called Inner Sense, and they I think are really working into organic side, like eco-friendly sort of packing, because Myntra का जो paper packing होता है that was there, a cardboard packing was there, and then it was like this packing. I love the packing, and this is I bought this brand innerwears because it says it is antimicrobial, organic, moisture wicking and anti-odor, and these is made up of, the innerwears are being made of cotton and bamboo blend, organic cotton and bamboo blend. So I think that's really nice for our skin also. I ordered two colors, one is peach and one is black, and they are super supportive with like this sort of support is being provided on to your breast. And the most important part is they have a very good band to hold your breast tight, and so I think they're super comfy because the cloth is really soft cotton. There's nothing mix in it, so I hope this gonna stay for long, but I personally like the texture and everything. Yeah, so this was like my second purchase. So if you like this video, then please give a thumbs up and do like, share, subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell to get the future notifications of my video. Till then, bye bye, take care.